Good morning, Blind Sniper here, aka GOAT, God over all things, Matthew 28:19. Got my precision rifle here from Ruger. I bought it. Come from Ruger Customs. Uh, Great rifle, great shooting rifle. It's a 10-22 semi-automatic. Shoots better than a lot of my bolt actions. I do have the let's see which scope. Oh yeah, this is the Mueller scope up to 32. I've been shooting it at 28 on the 32. Uh, it does have a muzzle brake on it. It comes with that. I love the magazine. All you got to do is just grab this button, falls right out, no problem. Love that. It's even got a cheek weld on it if I need it. Right now I don't need to raise it up nothing. I'm good with the eye level. Now, I've been doing some more testing on it. Shot some Stangers. Too much power for what I do. All this right here, the two Aguilas got a lot of power. The Stanger, as you know, is 1640. This Aguila right here is 1470. That's the Interceptor. And the Aguila Super Maximum Hollow Point is 1700. Every one of them shot over the target. I had it dead on the target and they went over. Maybe one bullet, the first one hit, rest of them went over. And those were 5 shot groups I done. So I backed off of them and went with my standard velocity, 1070. I'll get it out of there right pretty soon. And the semi-auto of SK. I really don't know what the FPS is on this, but I'll tell you right now, this stuff shoots fantastic. I thought it'd be right here on the box somewhere, but I don't see it. So maybe I'll have to look it up. But anyway, I shot the semi-auto and then also shot Tenix again. Flat nose, 40 grain. All these are 40 grain. All 3 of these done fantastic. Of course, Tenix done the best in 5 shot groups. I did not have enough Tenix in this box to do a 10 round group, but I done 5s and 10s in the SK and the standard, and I zeroed it with the standard. Now let's take a little walk down here and see how well I done. And I think you'll be happy with it. That's a great rifle for the money I spent for it. I'm telling you, it's more than what I normally spend for a rifle. I told y'all before, I spent right up around $800 for it. That's more than what I normally spend because I'm a budget guy. I usually try to spend no more than $500 or $600. But since how it was a custom, coming from Ruger Custom Shop, and I told them what I wanted, and they done it for me, it wasn't but $200 more than what I normally spend, maybe a little more. I think something like $850, something like that, out the door. It's well worth it. It's well worth it. And that's the first 10-22 I ever shot in my life. And I fell in love with that rifle. I really have. All right, I stuck a new targets up here. When I first came out with 5 shot groups, this was my standard. This was the SK. And of course, this was Tenix. You know that was Tenix. Look at that, look at that. Almost one ragged hole, almost. I thought SK would shoot better than that, which it finally did. And I was surprised at standard shooting that well. I'm not even gonna worry about showing you the other ones I done with the high powers, because see here, they just went over the top and all that stuff there. But I shot a 10 shot group here with standard, but I didn't have it zeroed in. So I changed it and zeroed it in. This is standard. Look at that. Oh, don't count that top hole. Don't count that one. That would come from the shooting them other high ones that I shot earlier. But that was the standard. You cannot beat that. Look at that big ass hole. This here was the SK 10 rounds. And it was zeroed with standard, so this here could be re-zeroed and probably get a better grouping over towards the center. But still, you cannot beat that with SK. SK auto match. That's good. I mean, semi-auto, excuse me. SK semi-auto. And then, of course, 5-shot round with Tenix again. Don't count that one right there because that was from the previous shot. But that's the other 5 rounds with Tenix. Can't beat it. Love it. Love it. So 1022 is the way to go. And it's everything that everybody's ever said about it. I've heard talk about it over the years, but I never messed with them, just never tried them. I don't know why. I think back when they first came out, I was hooked on the Marlin 22s at the time. I can't remember exactly because I bought Remingtons and Revelations and all that back in the day. Stuff you can't buy now. But 1022 was a new thing that come out back then. I really wasn't interested in it. Now, after I heard all the boasting about it, it's well worth it, and the talk's right up there. I can't deny it. Ruger has came out with a fantastic rifle. I just hope they don't quit manufacturing them and screwing them up. Because I heard Ruger was quit making the 22 Magnums. That's what I heard. Now, I don't know if it's true or not. But I got me some Ruger 22 Magnums anyway, and they're fantastic. But this is it right here, folks. Shooting off of a bipod with my regular old bag from Caldwell for the rear. Got my Mueller scope, goes up to 32, and as you can see, I was sitting on 28. So there's a dot right up under the 28. Fantastic shooting gun. Anyway, Blind Sniper is getting ready to get out of here. Go back in the house, might get me another rifle and bring it out here. I don't know. But God loves you. God take care of you. Do like Matthew's 28:19 says, and watch the Church of 28:19. There's some good people on there. Gospel channel. But I'm going to ask you again because I'm getting ready to shut it down, I guess, because I went on there and looked at my analysis on my videos, and I got some videos that have 500 and something watches and only 2 likes on it. I got some videos that people watched and they got 200 and something, might have 1 like on it. I just don't get it, folks. When I watch videos on YouTube, if I like it, I tell people I like it. I give them a thumbs up. If I don't like it, I give them the thumbs down. And if I leave a comment, I leave it respectful, which I hadn't had no bad comments come on here yet. Everybody who's commented has been respectful enough for me. But I need your help to get out there so more people can watch my channel, make it more interesting for me. Getting on here filming this stuff is difficult enough, but I would love to have a crowd watching me and enjoying it as much as I am. And I'm getting ready to, I might try it today, setting up my other scope and getting the camera hooked to it, my telephone hooked to it, I mean, and see what I can bring in a little bit. I might even do a test shot today and see how good I can get the function with it. But anyway, this is Blind Sniper. One more time, please subscribe, please like. I appreciate it. And those of you who did subscribe, which I think I've gained 3 or 4 subscribers, I really appreciate you. Don't think I don't. One of these days I'm gonna have a giveaway, and when I do, anybody who comments on a regular basis and anybody who's on here on a regular basis, as long as they are subscribed to me, will be eligible for the giveaway. And it's not gonna be no cheap stuff. It's gonna be some scopes. I got some nice scopes I'm gonna give away. It just didn't suit me for being shooting, but that's just because it don't suit me don't mean it won't suit somebody else. But anyway, this is Blind Sniper, AKA Goat. We'll talk to you later. Peace out.